Did you know that in Winter 20, you have new ways to customize the mobile experience for your users, all in Lightning? That's right. In Winter 20, with Lightning on mobile, you can customize record page experiences, app experiences, and build custom app pages for your users using Lightning App Builder and Lightning on mobile. So this is a great way to drive mobile adoption and to give your users really fine-tuned experiences from whatever their device they're on. So let's take a look. In Setup, we have a new area called the Salesforce Mobile App Quick Start. This is really handy to access all of the videos, all of the Trailhead content, and the admin checklist to get your users enabled for Lightning on mobile. I've already done step 3, which is to create permission sets and assign them to users that I want to use this new mobile experience. Now I'm ready to enable particular apps for mobile. So I click Go to App Manager. And the app I'm working with is Sunshine Chocolate's custom Lightning app. So I go to the bottom here, my Sunshine Chocolates app, and I'm going to edit this app because I want this app to be available in the app launcher for my desktop and mobile users. So under app options, I can select where do I want this app to be supported, desktop, phone, or both. So I select desktop and phone for both. Awesome. Now I go back to my quick start and let's just take a look at the other setup items. We also have some steps to update pages for mobile if we have custom Lightning App Builder pages that we've already created to make sure those are enabled for mobile. But just to show you what it looks like right out of the box when you enable mobile for your users, this is a not customized opportunity page. I haven't done anything this page, it's the default page. In mobile, in the new Lightning mobile app, I have the app launcher with my new Sunshine Chocolates access. And when I go into the same opportunity, this is the kind of out-of-the-box Lightning on mobile record page. So I've got path, I've got my details area where I can click in and see the details, which is run by the page layout editor. I also have related, so I can click in and see my related list. Great. But I want to customize the experience. So in Lightning App Builder, I'm going to go to Edit Page, or on my opportunity page, I'm going to go to Edit Page. And when I edit the page, I'm going to start customizing that mobile experience because one piece that's not included in the Lightning on mobile experience is that activity timeline or that activity feed. And so I want to give my users another way to view activities on mobile. So I'm in Lightning App Builder. In the middle, I see my canvas. It's previewed for desktop. And I'm going to add the standard component for report chart. I've got a great report chart that I've built for opportunities to show me activities for opportunities. And it's called my Opportunity Activity Report. And I'm going to filter by opportunity ID. So it's only reflecting records for that particular opportunity. And I'm going to go ahead and save this page and activate it because this wasn't a custom page before. So now I'm creating a new custom page that I need to activate. When I assign it for org default, I can define, do I want this page to be enabled for desktop, phone, or both? I want to have a one-stop shop to manage my opportunity experience for now. So I'm going to enable this for desktop and phone. And when I enable it for desktop and phone, I've got that new custom page. And if I go back to my desktop view of the opportunity page, I'll have the new report chart that's added to that page, and it's also been added to the mobile experience. But let's fine tune this a little more. This was something that I added specifically for my mobile users. I don't feel like my desktop users need that report as much. And so I'm going to make this page have a different experience depending on device. So I go into component visibility for that report chart, and I can select device and phone, which means that this component will only show when it's being viewed on a phone. On the top left of Lightning App Builder, we can preview on the phone so we can see where the component will fall on the phone page. And I can move it around if I want and rearrange components on that opportunity page. So this gives me a good preview of what my mobile users will experience. Okay, so now I've added that filter, I've customized it for phone. Let's go ahead and save and take a look at the page. So now because I added that filter, when I'm viewing it on desktop, I don't have that report chart because my users really love the activity timeline in desktop. They're using that quite a bit. But when I open that same page in mobile, I can see that I now have that chart available and I can refresh the chart. I can click in and see details about the chart. And this is just one of the ways that as an admin, you can create a custom experience on one Lightning App Builder record page that's different depending on what device it's being viewed on. I can't wait to see everything that you all do with Lightning on mobile and the ways that you're fine-tuning the experience for your users. If you want to learn more about Lightning on mobile, we've got a trail mix at the bottom of the screen that you can go to learn more about how you can build Lightning on mobile only pages, you can build mobile apps, and really build more custom experiences for your users with mobile. We also have a ton more features to cover in the Winter 20 release, so make sure to visit the URL on the screen to learn more about all the great features for admins in the Winter 20 release and how you can roll those out to your users. That's all for today. Thanks for joining, and I'll see you next time.